In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook not loading on Mac web browser. So for that, simply open up your Safari or any web browser, and once you open it, you can simply hover your cursor over the top of the screen, then click on Safari. Here, click on Settings. After that, in whichever tab you are, make sure you click on Privacy. After that, here you can find Manage Website Data. Click on it. Now in the search bar, you can search for facebook.com. Click on it. Then click on Remove. After that, the browsing history will be cleared here. Click on Done. After that, you can simply try reloading Facebook again and it should start working. And you can also check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection. You can turn the Wi-Fi off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it on. Make sure it's connected. And one more thing is that ensure that no VPN or proxy is turned on. If it is, then simply turn it off and it should be fixed. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.